Asibamuta abantu wa Western Uganda na muno eminyeto muliho muwulire mulaga mu muteya kumwabulire ya amazina mwene bulejeya Kigezi boy nagaruka kubahereza ndi hano ya mu studio za Kuna Matata ne January zoba program iragamba group ya M7 turaza kujimara wawulira ninga ti wawulira turaza kujimara ndaleba hati kubara buzabuza buli kimwe bara kitozo konka turabareba M7 abe myaka yanje okaba buzabuza but not this generation bara kureba buli kakodyo kona kora bara kareba kare nico ndakugambira nti group yawe turaza kujimara urire kanije maze nakwereka president witu ali wayizire baramweta manyango ngogwe no muyaga manyango ogwe no muyaga guraza kuhagugende manyango na agona mashanyarazi mu manyagaraza kurara manyango ogwe niki magwe no muyaga magu no muki kama
23% want to hold traditional jobs in engineering, law, medicine. And you seem to have achieved a lot in moving from becoming a musician, an activist, and now as a politician, although you don't like to be identified as one. What message can you learn from the legacy of Nelson Mandela, and what message would you share with young people to help them in terms of their aspirations?
Thank you so much, Irene. Lots of great things have been talked about Mandela, and actually would have loved to add on a lot more things. But in the interest of time, I'll be brief and talk about only three. First of all, as young people, I think it's important for us to analyze what made Mandela great. You see, Mandela as a young man, he was an accomplished lawyer, he was a son of a chief, but he, together with his comrades, offered themselves for the cause of the country. In the face of injustice, like in their youthful days, they did not fold their hands and resign to apathy, but they looked injustice face to face in the eyes and found solutions. And indeed, they played their own role and registered some achievements. So I would wonder what President Mandela, or indeed Museveni, would be thinking if they were young men today. I think they would still... I think they would do the same. Secondly, you see, Nelson Mandela embodied almost all qualities of good leadership. Democracy, unity, rule of law, and indeed he bore them at heart, not just in rhetoric, because we are looking at a leader who, after suffering in jail for 27 years, still did not have a sense of entitlement. He's a leader who became president and served only one term. And we saw it, that it was not about himself, but the nation, and indeed he stepped down from the office of presidency and gave chance for the younger generations to take control and contribute to their country as the elder leaders were offering guidance and advice. And I think still Nelson Mandela exhibited servant leadership. We can recall from his inaugural speech when he said, "I stand before you not as a prophet, but as a humble servant of the people." Thank you. So if I could conclude, please.
Thank you very much. I'd like to... okay, you can take 1 minute.
Thank you very much. 1 minute. Yeah, I'll be very brief. That's a lesson for the young and old leaders. And finally, Mandela was talking to the South African youth sometime, and he's quoted to have said that sometimes it's upon a generation to be great. You can be that generation. So I want us to take a lesson as the young people of this generation to understand that every generation has had its challenges. For the Mandelas, it was apartheid. For the Nyereres and Nkurumas, it was colonialism. For the Musevenis and his comrades, it was bad politics and instability. For us, it is unemployment, it is exclusion, and it is corruption and everything. So we must rise to the occasion and play our part. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'll open.
Nimugira mwamuhulira bandi bagamba balijuka ali Mandela ebi yakozire. Mandela muramanya ngo akarwanisa apartheid. Kandi nimwe nitwe murashimanya kutuli omu apartheid. Abazungu bakaruga kuriya bahambensi yabo. Batwara economy yona, batwara buli kimwe ekirungi bakitwara, emisiri mirungi eitaka lirungi bagitwara. Nitwe nibyo turajwanisa. Abanyarwanda bakaruga kuriya beja bahambiye ngajyeitu. Batwara byo bugiga byitu byona. Batwara mataka gate. So twine kwerwanaho okureba ngo turegaruriza ehanga ryeitu. Museveni group yo tujajimarawo. So murareba bwaba kama hatiya kwara shajirira. Owuliri district 189 yagizire ngo president beine kutera campaign enaku 10. Target no Museveni watu iratera campaign arazo mu biji byempunu. Aratera campaign. Kyagulanyi takatiri hor na campaign neji nemu. Hati yatandika kuleta ba presidents nebi muga na ba boda nachi echo alenda kugaruza okuronda ngo ku Israelita institution zona ngo ku yesire police ngo ku yesire aburamuzi ngo ku yesire amahe ngo ku yesire education ngo ku yesire emihanda yeitu ngo ku Israelita economy ngo ku yagisire ngo ku Israelita alita health system. So ni kwalenda ngo ayite na elections konka turakureba. Museveni group yo tujajimarawo turakureba. So okweni ko kwenda arebe ashwazensi yona ballot paper ebende ingwetiya etarabasa no kuzomuka box konkali wadgo kubanza omuhulire konka hona oratora turakureba. So bagenzi banje mushabire bene beitu achire wowo Gaddafi nenchi ba Erizoba umuramuzi yayagira ngo araza kubaha Beiru ebirabi na bibiri konka babahambira mu muhanda bashuba babatwara konka ndenda abaramuza baryo muri yogo mishango nabone na mu batwo profile zabo mutwe family zabo mutwe amazina gabo mutwe na buli kimwe. Itwe tubateka ha internet tuba celebrating ninga mulete na masimu gabo tuba checking yo owulire. So bantu ba mukama eshani yeji eyo kwerwana ni mureba okubuzabuza kuona okwali kukora. By the way amahulira agataralinda Uganda Airlines ekagura enyonyi zile expired tibe inaho kuya spare parts ebyo ne bitaho. So imwe kimura akole mwino kwetekateka mukakole gali mukole campaign yeitu eshemere kuba a revolution eyo kwerwanaho mu rugo mu politics. Manye bya timu gundi that's nonsense. Abantu mubogambire ekigendererwa echa protest vote kuronda karuru kuisha mu bwinji mukakatera okalinda mwena mwamara mukakabara mwamara kabara babatabarangirire mukerangirira. Nyo mwazo natugamara bagambire mutuletere profiles za returning officers na akabona hibiri zonka. So turendeza ba Uganda yona ya kale protest vote nigwo muramwa gweitu obusinja bwa mukama mwete kateke mukole gali mugule vivuzera efrembe oyine chokurwa